Good morning everyone, welcome back to our online class learning. Today is Friday, July 10, 2020. How are you today everyone? I hope you are fine and I am fine too. Thank you everyone. So based on our schedule, every Friday what we are going to study. You are right, in the first session we are going to study about the listening starter 1 and in the second session we are going to study about the grammar planet 1. Okay, so everyone please have a look at the whiteboard here, and did you notice something strange today? Okay, so today we will work on the workbooks, both the listening and the grammar. Okay, work on workbook. Okay, so without further more delay, let's move to our listening part, which is our first video session. Okay, so before we move to our lesson, let's review some some question, okay, that related to our lesson today. Okay, so number 1, do you like science class? Do you like science class? The answer is yes, it's interesting. Do you like science class? So here, so you can substitute the subject here, okay, by another different question. Okay, so you can say, do you like science class? Do you like science class? So do you like science class here, you can substitute by another subject. Like example, do you like English class? Yes, it's interesting. Yes, I really love it. Okay, so you can use this form to ask about someone related to the subject or class. Okay, another one, who teaches your favorite class? Who teaches your favorite class? Mr. Jonas, Miss Jonas teaches my favorite class. Miss Jonas teaches my favorite class. And another question, number 3, who's your favorite teacher? Who's your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Bean. My favorite teacher is Mr. Bean. So can I ask you, who is your favorite teacher? Okay, so you can raise one of your teacher. Like example, my favorite teacher is Mr. Manat. Okay, and this is the, number 4. What's your favorite lesson? What your favorite lesson? So you can tell them that my favorite lesson is history, or for yours, what is your favorite lesson? My favorite lesson is grammar. My favorite lesson is handout. My favorite lesson is listening starter 1, something like that. Okay, so these are all very useful questions. Now let's move to the last one, number 5. When do you have math class? When do you have math class? Based on our schedule, you can say that I have it after English class. I have it after English class. Okay, so example, on Monday, when do you have the English class? The hangout class. I have English hangout class in the first section. Okay, in the first session. Good. So now let's move to our lesson today. We will work on the workbook, page 17. So everyone, please take out your listening book and please check at the back of the main book. We have another book, okay, which is the workbook. Okay, and turn to page 17 altogether. Turn to page 17. Everyone, are you here with me? Okay, so let's do the exercise C and D. For section C, listen and write, track 163. So before you listen, I would like to read for all of you first. Number 1A, when do you have blah 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 class? B, I don't know. I need to check my blah blah blah. Number 2A, blah blah, your favorite lesson. B, I'm not blah blah. I like them all. 3A, is your blah blah teacher nice? B, yes, Mr. Evans is nice and blah blah blah. So after you read this one, you will get more idea, okay, in order to choose the correct answer. And then after you read, I will play the track for all of you, and then exactly you will get 100% correct answer. Okay, so now you can pause my video and read the exercise. Okay, Welcome back everyone. Now it's time to listen to the track. I will play the track for all of you. Are you ready? Now listen.
C. Listen and write. 1.
When do you have art class?
I don't know. I need to check my schedule.
2.
What's your favorite lesson?
I'm not sure. I like them all.
3.
Is your science teacher nice?
Yes, Mr. Evans is nice and interesting.
Welcome back everyone. It's time to check all the correct answer. Everyone, did you get all the correct answer? Very good. So now let's check it out. For number 1, A, when do you have what? When do you have? Good. The first one is art. When do you have art class? When do you have art class? B, answer that. I don't know. I need to check my... What do you need to check in order to know what you are going to study? Okay, the schedule. Okay, schedule. Okay, so A, when do you have art class? B, I don't know. I need to check my schedule. Okay, you need to check your schedule first in order to get to know what you are going to study today or tomorrow. Okay, so number 2, A, blah blah, your favorite lesson. So the correct answer is great. What's your favorite lesson? What's your favorite lesson? B, I'm not sure. Okay, so what does it mean I'm not sure here everyone? It means you have a lot of answer, you have a lot of choice, you don't know the exact one that you want. Okay, so you have a lot of choice. Okay, like see this one, B, I'm not sure, I like them all. See, I mean I like them all, I'm not sure which one that I like the most. Okay, and number 3, A, is your what? Okay, is your science, SCIENCE. Is your science teacher nice? Is your science teacher nice? Yes, Mr. Evan is nice and what? Okay, correct. Interesting. So now let's read all the correct answer again with teacher everyone. 1, A, when do you have art class? B, I don't know, I need to check my schedule. 2A, what's your favorite lesson? B, I'm not sure, I like them all. 3A, is your science teacher nice? B, yes, Mr. Evan is nice and interesting. So now we have finished exercise C. Let's move to another exercise. Exercise D. Listen, write the letter that matches the picture, track 164. So I give you 1 minute to look at the picture first. Okay, what can you see in the picture? And when you listen to the track, you can choose the correct answer. You can put the correct letter into the number. Got it everyone? Now you can pause my video for 1 minute. Welcome back everyone. Now it's time to listen to the track in order to get the answer for this section D. Okay, are you ready? Now listen.
D. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
Their favorite class is PE.
B.
They study for computer class together.
C.
Our science class is difficult.
D.
My favorite teacher is my math teacher.
Welcome back everyone. Now it's time to correct our exercise. So for listen, write the letter that matches the picture, track 164. For number 1, the correct letter is letter. What letter everyone? Good. Letter C. How about number 2? Number 2, the correct letter is letter A. Okay, good. How about number 3? What is the correct letter, everyone? Okay, number 3, correct letter is D. And the last one for number 4, the correct letter is letter B. So these are what we have done for today in the first session for the listening starter 1. Okay, so before I end my video, let me wrap up what we have learned in this unit. So we have reviewed about the five question. The first one, do you like science class? Yes, it's interesting. Number 2, who teaches your favorite class? Miss Jonas teaches my favorite class. Number 3, who's your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Bean. Number 4, what's your favorite lesson? My favorite lesson is history. And number 5, when do you have math class? I have it after English class. And we also complete the 2 exercise C and exercise D on workbook on page 717, track 163 and 164. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the second session video. Goodbye.